AI websites and software to help your small business instead of hiring humans. Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I am an IP lawyer. And since I've been enjoying artificial intelligence lately, I wanted to share some tools that might be helpful to you as small business owners. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence tools are transforming how we work, create, and manage businesses. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or someone simply looking to streamline your tasks, artificial intelligence can be a game changer. With the convenience that these tools offer, it's essential to be aware of potential legal, ethical, and privacy concerns though. In this video, we will explore AI tools that can boost your productivity, enhance creativity, and automate tasks, while also discussing the legal aspects you should consider when incorporating them into your workflow. Number 1, SEO, search engine optimization. Programmatic SEO can be enhanced with AI tools like Byword, SEO AI, and Copy.ai. These tools allow you to create large-scale content targeting long-tail keywords. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization, and it is what people use to find you. So if I go onto Google and I type Trademark Lawyer and I come up in the video section, that means that using those words, trademark and lawyer, will be very important in my content in order to help people find me. But how can AI help you with your SEO? So let's get back to how AI can help you with your long tail keyword strategy. So this strategy is beneficial for businesses with a wide array of products or services, such as a vitamin store or a supplement store that sells a variety of products. So writing unique content for each variation could be extremely time consuming, but with tools like Byword, SEO AI, and Copy.ai, you can generate headlines, product descriptions, and blog posts in bulk. These tools help to automate content creation, but it's crucial to maintain high standards for quality. You see, AI-generated content can be flagged by search engines if it lacks depth and therefore negatively affects your SEO rankings. So while AI can create the content, you still need to ensure it provides value to your readers. Neglecting to balance volume with quality could hurt your online visibility and reputation. Number 2, let's say you want to automate your workflow. Wouldn't it be amazing to have an assistant who could help you with emails, social media, or customer data? Well, here's where these AI tools come in. Use Zapier, Integromat, and Automate.io. Zapier is widely known for its ability to automate workflows by linking different apps together. You can automate tasks like sending emails, posting to social media, and managing customer data. Integromat and Automate.io offer similar capabilities, allowing you to build custom automations and improve business efficiency. So if you think this sounds great, make sure to give me a thumbs up because I am super impressed by what AI can do. While these platforms are incredibly powerful, there are some risks. For example, automated workflows can sometimes result in errors if set up incorrectly or if there are changes in third-party app APIs. So regular monitoring is key to ensuring that these tools are working as intended. In business environments where precision is vital, automation can save significant time, but it's essential to test thoroughly and stay on top of updates. Number 3, what if you need a lawyer but you don't want to pay lawyer prices? Well, consider using legal assistance with Do Not Pay or Law Depot. Can you really use AI to replace your lawyer? They are AI-driven platforms which allow you legal services without the need to hire a lawyer. Do Not Pay can assist with minor legal tasks such as contesting parking tickets, negotiating subscriptions, or handling flight compensation claims. Similarly, Law Depot offers a range of customizable legal document templates for things like leases, contracts, and wills. However, it's important to recognize that these tools are not, I repeat, not substitutes for professional legal advice. So if you want to run something by me, make sure to send me an email. It's always free to do so. You can find it down below in the description. So while these tools can be valuable for small disputes or routine legal needs, they lack the nuance and expertise provided by a qualified attorney. So for significant legal issues like contract disputes or intellectual property concerns, please make sure to reach out to me and I am more than happy to help you. At marcellatm.com, you can see the list of happy customers that we have helped that have actually turned into lifelong friends. Number 4, creative enhancement with Runway ML, DeepArt, and ArtBreeder. So if you're a creative professional, tools like Runway ML are game game changers.
Could you use some design help in your business? If so, listen up.
The infinite image tool allows you to expand existing images to fill in blank space, which is particularly useful for social media posts or website banners. Deep Art and Art Breeder leverage AI to create stunning art or modify existing images. They offer endless possibilities for content creation. These tools can help you save time and money by replacing expensive manual editing or photo shoots. However, like I said before, there are legal considerations when using AI generated or modified images, especially if you're working with copyrighted material. That is a no-no. Always ensure that you have proper licensing rights or proper permissions when using copyrighted images for commercial purposes. It's also important to be mindful of the ethical implications of altering someone else's work without proper attribution or consent. So if you want to learn more about copywriting images or how to properly use images that could potentially be copyrighted, then make sure to check out that video right there, because you don't want to find yourself in legal hot water. So for those of you concerned about AI generated content being flagged by detection software, there is an AI tool for that. Undetectable AI can help humanize your AI written text, making it appear more like it was written by a human. Content at Scale is another tool that helps create long form content that passes AI detection, designed for SEO purposes. The challenge with using these tools is ensuring the content you generate is original, ethical, and complies with relevant guidelines or academic policies. So while these tools may assist in generating content that passes AI detectors, relying too heavily on AI for content creation can raise concerns about originality and authenticity. It's always important to balance automation with human creativity to maintain a high level of credibility. Next, AI-powered video editing with Autopod and Magisto Autopod.
Video editing help. Are you somebody that needs help video editing because you are not a video editor? Well, listen up.
These tools use AI to simplify video editing by automatically switching between camera angles based on who is speaking in the video. Magisto is another AI video editing tool that automatically selects the best shots, edits them together, and even applies effects and transitions. This technology can save video creators hours of editing time. However, as with all AI-driven video editing tools, it's important to carefully review the final output. AI might not always make decisions that align with your vision, and manual adjustments may be necessary to ensure the content fits your brand and messaging. But let's say you want to improve the video quality with captions. Synthesia Captions is a useful tool for content creators looking to improve their videos by generating captions and adjusting the position of the speaker's eyes. The AI detects where the eye should be focused to make the video look more professional and engaging. Synthesia allows you to create AI-generated videos using avatars and text-to-speech technology, ideal for educational or marketing content. However, both tools present ethical questions regarding the manipulation of visual content, especially if it involves creating realistic avatars or altering someone's appearance without their consent. Always be transparent with your audience about how AI is being used in your content. So let's say you just want to explore what other AI tools are out there. Make sure to use Future Tools and AI Tool Tracker. Future Tools and AI Tool Tracker offer extensive databases of AI-powered solutions. These platforms categorize tools based on their functionality, making it easier to find the right tool for your specific needs. While these sites provide a wealth of options, navigating through so many AI tools can be overwhelming.
So can you ever find yourself in legal hot water from using AI tools?
So it's important to research each tool thoroughly to ensure it aligns with your business goals and ethical standards. And again, please do not forget that legal considerations and legal challenges do exist with AI tools. So as you continue to explore AI tools, please be aware of the legal and ethical challenges involved. Intellectual property issues can just be one of the many legal issues, because many AI tools create content or designs that may be subject to copyright laws. So you want to make sure that you have the proper licenses and ownership rights for any AI generated content, especially if you're using it for commercial purposes. But if you want to know whether something can be copyrighted or trademarked when you used AI to create it, make sure to check out that video right there. You also want to be mindful of regulations like GDPR or CCPA when using AI tools that handle customer or user information. Again, there are also ethical implications to consider, because AI tools that replicate voices, faces, or creative works can have an ethical impact. So being transparent with your audience if you're manipulating visual or audio content is very important. So if there is one very important take-home point, it is this one. In the case of AI errors, you must understand the liability implications. So if an AI tool misinterprets a situation that results in harm or loss, and you have given that information or repeated the information that AI provided to you, you could still be on the hook, even though the AI system or the AI software gave you that answer. So again, AI tools are not without risk, but if you want to run intellectual property issues, licensing contracts, privacy concerns, then please make sure to reach out to me. It's always free to send me an email. You can scroll down into the description and find it down below. I want you to make sure that you are well aware of the legal implications of using AI in your business or on any creative projects.
Using AI can be so fun, but like I said, you don't want to ignore what could possibly go wrong. That is my job, to help you understand what could possibly go wrong. So please don't ignore this message.
Using AI in a way that protects your interests and complies with regulations can help you avoid legal pitfalls and give you more confidence moving forward in expanding your arsenal of AI tools.
So if you want to become familiar with more AI tools that could be helpful to your business, or you simply want to stay in touch with me, then make sure to join my free newsletter. Scroll down into the description to become friends.